Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the right hardware and permissions, so make sure your iPhone supports Face ID and iOS is up to date. Once done, open Messages and pick a conversation or start a new one. This is where Animoji lives. Tap the app drawer under the text field, then the Animoji monkey icon. You're in. You do this now because Animoji relies on the true depth camera to map your face, so enabling Face ID and camera access is the first actionable step. Now that the Animoji tray is open, choose an existing Animoji or create a memoji to match your look. You should hold the phone at eye level, keep even lighting, and center your face so the true depth camera captures expressions accurately. Tap the red record button to capture up to 30 seconds, speak and animate simultaneously. The system tracks eyes, mouth, and head motion for realistic results. If you want variety, try different facial angles and test subtle expressions to improve tracking. Finish by tapping Done and then the send arrow to deliver your Animoji to the chat. You can also press and hold the sent Animoji to save it to photos or export as a sticker. Once sent, you may reuse the same emoji or open FaceTime to use effects live. If the Animoji icon is missing or tracking fails, make sure iOS is current, verify Face ID and camera permissions, restart the phone, or reset Face ID. That single troubleshooting step often fixes detection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.